Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn materia peccans. So what is materia peccans? It is derived from a Latin word. It literally means material cause of the disease. From materia peccans we can understand material cause of the disease. Other word is harmful matter. So if they are asking for 5 mark questions, we cannot write like material cause of the disease and end it, isn't it? So we should know some basic knowledge of materia peccans. Let's see the historical background of materia peccans so you can shine in your exams. The concept of materia peccans dates back to Hippocrates and Galen, the infamous Galen. We know the person who has introduced bloodletting, who has done all those things. So he influenced those two people who influenced medieval medicine. They believed diseases result from an imbalance of 4 humors. What were they? Blood, phlegm, yellow bile and black bile. So what did they think? They thought that if there is any imbalance in blood, phlegm, yellow bile or black bile, then the person is affected. Then they believe the person is deceased. And this idea persisted through the Middle Ages and Renaissance, shaping allopathic treatments like bloodletting, leech therapy, excessive purgation. So after having this wrong understanding, with this misunderstanding, they just gave new treatments like bloodletting, leech therapy, excessive purgation, which we know that is really bad. Hahnemann completely rejected the materialistic view and introduced the concept of miasms, sora, syphilis and psychosis. He argued that diseases were dynamic disturbance rather than physical substance. So what did Hahnemann say? Our body is dynamic, it's having vital force. So the disease also should be dynamic nature, and it should not be physical substance like blood, increase in blood or phlegm or yellow bile, whatever it is. So there should be a disturbance that is dynamic and not materialistic or physical. He believed that even bacteria were not the true cause, but rather the body's susceptibility, that is vital force weakness, allowed disease to develop. For example, you consider one room where 5 members are there. One person is affected by a virus. So after one day, what do you see? The person who is having more immunity or greater power of vital force will not be affected by that virus. But the person who is having low immunity and low vital force, what will happen? The person will be affected by the virus. So it's not the virus or bacteria that makes us sick. It's our own body that makes us sick. If our body is weak, then we will get sick. If we are not mentally strong, if we are not feeling well, if we are so gloomy, if we are in a low state of body and mind, then it's easy for our body to get sick. So it's not our bacteria or fungus or virus that makes us sick, but our own body. As we all know that we are surrounded by many viruses and bacteria and fungi, but we are not affected by them because we are immune to them. So likewise, we get sick because of our own vital force weakness. How did allopathy view disease? All doctors, allopaths, thought disease were caused by bad stuff inside the body, like extra blood, mucus, pus or toxins. So these bad stuffs, what are they? Extra blood, mucus, pus or toxins. They are called as that materialistic cause of the disease is called as materia peccans. For example, if a person had an excess amount of blood, they thought this was causing the disease. So they just got a wrong idea. They believe that removing this bad stuff is equal to curing the disease. That's why they got this bloodletting things, because they thought if there is more blood, then we should let go of that blood because that is causing the disease. That was their idea. How did they try to remove it? To remove the supposed bad matter, they use harsh treatments like bloodletting, that is cutting veins to remove blood. Just think of it, they just cut the vein to remove blood. They're not curing the root cause of the disease. Instead, they're just letting off that blood. Then second is purging, using strong laxatives to clean the stomach, vomiting, making the patient throw up. So actually purging and vomiting is still kind of treatment they're using. They thought these methods were rational, scientific, but they often weakened the patient instead of curing them. What did Hahnemann say? Hahnemann completely disagreed with this idea. He said, disease is not caused by bad material inside the body. The real cause is an invisible force called miasm that disturbs the vital force. Pus, mucus, bacteria are just results of the disease and not the cause. So the root cause is the disturbance of our body caused by miasm. And pus, mucus and bacteria are not the results, but they are the results of the disease but not the cause. So what is the cause of disease? According to Hahnemann, the real cause of disease is a dynamic disturbance of the vital force caused by miasm, psora, syphilis and psychosis. Miasm is an invisible disease producing force that affects the vital force and leads to illness. The body symptoms like pus, mucus, bacteria are just effects of this disturbance and not the root cause. In simple terms, disease starts when the vital force is disturbed by miasms and not by any harmful material inside the body. So it is not caused by materialistic. It is caused by dynamic level. Example, think of a disease like a software bug in a phone. Allopaths try to fix it by breaking the phone and removing the parts. Meanwhile, homeopathy fixes the real problem by resetting the software, that is vital force. That's how the mechanism. What does modern science say? So all that past period, that bloodletting, everything is removed. What does modern science say? Scientists now agree that just having bacteria doesn't mean you will get sick. If your body immune system is strong, bacteria won't harm you. This proves Hahnemann was right. The body's reaction is more important than the bacteria itself. Conclusion: all medicine that is remove bad material is equals to cure disease. It's actually wrong. We don't believe this. Hahnemann said that strengthen the body's vital force, that is equals to cure disease. This is what we believe. Homeopathy focuses on treating the body as a whole, not just removing symptoms, because symptoms are very important for us to get the right medicine. So okay, now we got 5 mark question. Everything is covered. Now what about 2 mark? If they are asking for 2 mark, you should write all these. Materia peccans refers to material cause of the disease. When you write material cause of the disease, be sure that you will get 1 mark for sure. It's a concept in old school medicine where doctors believed disease were caused by harmful substance inside the body like excess blood, pus or toxins. Hahnemann rejected this idea, stating that diseases are caused by a dynamic disturbance of the vital force and not by any material substance. That's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do so that I will be able to post more and more videos and you will be able to see those more and more videos. Hope you had a great day. Thank you.